And then what you want to do is, see that little hole there? Take that off, put that to the bottom, yeah? Slide that on, leave the hole at the bottom. That way, if water gets into that chamber, it can just run out. Do you know what I mean? Upstairs for thinking, downstairs for dancing. Next thing is, if you have done your shower, correct them under. A bit of tape around the now, in my experience, you can do all. You can buy these different spanners. You can do this. You can do that. Nothing guarantees it. A little bit of tape like that. You've taken what? 30 seconds. Not even 30 seconds. Now, if your first fix is bang on, second fix will be bang on. Cut that if you want. Yeah. 1700. No, I'd cut it in line with this wall here, Mac. Get that on there like that, which is bang on. And then we need a spanner. And you can tighten it up. Don't over tighten this. Tighten this up. Beautiful. See what I mean? Impossible to scratch. That's it. Take your tape off. Beautiful. And that is what we're talking. What you want to do, give it a little polish. Clean as we go. Don't want to touch that again. And that is what you call a job in town. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to MJC Kitchens and Bathrooms. Especially on my YouTube channel. For the top half of the shower, these always come and they're out. Yeah, so don't rush it. Screw it in. Because with any black furniture or all that, if you catch it, it might straight away. What you want is a permanent dry wipe. Yeah. Then, nice. Unscrew that back out. And we're going to push it in the fitting. We're going to get it on the wall. We're going to make sure that it's bang on. Like so. So we're cart, you got cart. I like it. On that, make sure you got a bit of lubrication around that. So when you push them washers in, can you see? Boop, boop, boop. What you got to make sure is that you don't want a gap. You know what I mean? So if you measure this and you measure it wrong, and then when you put your screw in it, if there's not a gap, if it's a little bit too high, see that? It'll slide that up. And then you're going to have that gap there. Now, a lot of people most probably won't notice it, but they do my head in, because eventually all the crap would start. Not good. Get it, make sure you push fully down, make sure no gap. All around the thing. Twist. No, I'm talking in my camera. take it off. Don't forget to put the rail on it. So that part screws out so you can have that wherever you want, yeah. Make sure you get it on your fitting. And then what you want to do is make sure that you bang on line, yeah. Most important one that you make sure is bang on, that one, because it's not going to move up or down. Then you'll be able to unscrew it and move it up and down slightly if this lifts off here. That one, you're never going to be able to move it up slightly. So when you're drilling, you make sure you're in centre of your point. Don't want dirt going on my new shower. Put your rail on, silicone the holes, bish bash boss, job's done. And that is how we fit a Bristan overhead shower. From start to finish, from MJC Kitchen and Bathroom. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. One vital thing, wherever you drill an hole, make sure you seal that hole. Do you know what I mean? Always seal. Always seal it. Clean it off as you go, and you can't go wrong. If you don't, also people spray showers up there to do water, steam, getting through it. Just silicone it. And then people, what you gotta remember is, see this part here. Don't try to get that on and bend that on, because you're not just, it's just not gonna do it, yeah? So put your fitting on over it, then put it on, and then what happens is that'll screw on, because what you want is, if you try to bend that on it, you're just going to bend the shower and everything's going to go. So twist, push down, and then screw it in. And don't forget to like, share and follow, because all my videos are for free for everybody. So I make my money off the likes and the shares and the subscribes. So if you're kind enough to like my videos and watch my content, don't forget to like, share and follow. And then you just get that bump screwed straight into that, like it. Don't screw it that far. Ooh. See what I mean?